Hey guys, welcome to another tax video by Bispop. Audit. ये वर्ड्स अपने लाइफ पे एक बार तो जरूरी सुना होगा, बट इसकी एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग शायद ही पता हो. But don't worry, in this video we'll discuss in detail what is the exact meaning of audit and its various types. So without any delay, let's dive in and get started into the video. डे टू डे लैंग्वेज में हम इसे किसी भी चीज़ को चेक या वेरीफाई करने को कहते हैं, बट क्या ऑडिट की डेफिनेशन उस तक ही सीमित है? वेल, द स्टैंडर्ड डेफिनेशन ऑफ ऑडिट सेज एन ऑडिट इज एन इंडिपेंडेंट एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल एंड नॉन फाइनेंशियल रिकॉर्ड्स of a company or an individual financial statements and other records. But is it limited to only financial records? Well, absolutely not. The first type is the internal audit. As the name suggests, the internal audit refers to the audit of the internal functions of the company. In this audit, the owners of the company initiate to get the internal functions and finances of the company audited. ये बेसिकली कंपनी के इंटरनल यूजेस जैसे कि शेयर होल्डर्स, बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स, इनके लिए होता है ताकि इनको हम अपडेट दे सके कि कंपनी के फाइनेंसेस अच्छे से चल रहे हैं या नहीं. Next comes number 2 on the list is the external audit. External audit is performed to fulfill the statutory and legal obligations of the company. Well, this kind of audit is compulsory to be performed by certain companies as specified in the law. The question is by whom it is performed. It is performed only by certain individual bodies and independent bodies who are eligible to perform this, for example, CAs and other professional bodies. And the question arises why it is performed. It is performed to measure the accuracy, reliability, legality, and completeness of processes, information, and data of the company. Next comes the performance audit. As the name suggests, it is used to verify the accuracy of performance. But performance in what respect? Well, here the performance refers to the performance of internal controls of the company. So, here the audit measures the operational efficiency of the controls of the company so that nothing goes wrong. Next comes the compliance audit, which is fourth in our list. Well, compliance relating to what? Here, compliance refers to the compliance with the laws and other statutory and legal obligations which are upon the company, not adhering to which can lead to a heavy penalty on the company. So, this is also very important. The next on our list is operational audit. Here, the word operation suggests the operational functions of the company. So, this kind of audit is used to spot any inefficiencies or enhance any operational efficiency of the working of the company. And here, the main focus is on the operational efficiency of the process and the various outcome, goals, objectives of the company. Next comes the statutory audit. The word statutory means anything related to the law, regulations, which relates to the compliance with the government. Here, statutory audit means checking whether the company complies with the laws and regulation applicable to it as per the laws and regulation of the Income Tax Act and other specified acts. Next comes the IRS tax audit. The IRS tax audit is used to analyze that the tax which we are paying is actually accurate or not. This is used to verify कि हम कहीं टैक्स को ओवरपे या अंडरपे तो नहीं कर रहे हैं. ओवरपे करने की वजह से हम पर एक्स्ट्रा टैक्स बर्डन आ सकता है, अंडरपे करने की वजह से हमें एक्स्ट्रा इंटरेस्ट पे करना पड़ सकता है. So either case is adverse for us. Conducting this audit is very necessary. Next comes the payroll audit. The payroll audit is used to verify the accuracy and efficiency of the payroll process so that ये ज़रूरी होता है in order to verify that we are not doing any first-hand error in audit. So now I'm sure that by the end of this video, you must have understood what exactly is audit and what are the various kinds of audit. So now you are competent enough to take a wise decision for your company that which kind of audit is appropriate according to your business needs and your needs. No doubt that conducting an audit may be considered to be a very effort-taking, time-taking and cost-consuming process, but ultimately it adds to the efficiency of your business operations. It checks the accuracy and the reliability of information, and it also also helps to detect any fraud that might have crept in your business. Also, it is very necessary to comply with the statutory and legal requirements so that you do not face any problem in the future. So connect to BizFork for more such exciting and informative content. Thank you for watching this video.